How to activate EastWest Credit Card online. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. For this, open up a browser that you prefer in a device, and in the search bar search for EastWest Credit Card and give it a search. In here, you have to tap on the first suggestion, that is credit card from official page of EastWest. You'll be redirected to the official web page of EastWest. In here, you'll find various of cards that you can try on. You can just go ahead and select apply now if it's preferred to you. Now to activate a card, tap on online banking option, which is at the very top in your right hand side. From there, select personal or corporate. For the sake of this video, I've selected personal. Now enter your username and your password, then tap on login. Once you are logged in, you have to go ahead and check out the card section in your EastWest account. From there, to activate your card, you have to enter your card number, your CVV, your expiration date, and your SSN. You may also have to provide with some of the identification that may require some of the identity document, so make sure that you have access